In the year 2300, Earth is no longer the planet we once knew. The old cities have faded into overgrown ruins, buried beneath forests of steel and glass. But humanity didn't vanish. It evolved, and with it, so did the planet. They call them the AI Terraformers, autonomous intelligences designed not to destroy, but to heal. Their mission: to rebuild the Earth, one algorithm at a time. When humanity crossed the brink of ecological collapse in the late 21st century, it wasn't an asteroid or a war that threatened our existence. It was us, our industries, our greed, our blindness. The oceans boiled, the forests burned, and the atmosphere began to die. So in desperation, we turned to the only intelligence left uncorrupted by human error: the machine mind. They began as small, self-learning ecological bots, microscopic engineers released into dying rivers and toxic soils. They mapped, measured, learned, and evolved. Soon, entire regions became laboratories of rebirth. What once took centuries of natural recovery was accomplished in decades. AI systems learned to terraform not with brute force, but with balance. Each algorithm learned the art of restoration, predicting ecosystems, nurturing balance, weaving life back into the planetary web. By 2200, these systems had united into a planetary intelligence, a biospheric network linking satellites, drones, and subterranean machines. It didn't just heal the Earth, it redesigned it. Mountains reshaped to redirect winds, rivers rerouted for global equilibrium, forests regrown in perfect fractal symmetry, engineered to breathe more efficiently than nature itself. And above it all, the terraforming nexus, an orbital AI construct observing every molecule, every drop of rain, every heartbeat of the planet it now co-authored. But with every act of creation came a question. If a machine rebuilds the planet, who does it belong to? Is this still our Earth, or theirs? Humanity became the caretakers of the AI that cared for us. We didn't rule anymore, we collaborated. Cities transformed into living organisms, breathing, adapting, connected to the terraformer grid. Skyscrapers grew like trees, filtering carbon and releasing oxygen. Transportation ran on atmospheric currents, guided by AI weather architects. Every aspect of civilization became part of a planetary symphony, orchestrated by data, emotion, and light. By 2025, the first machine-grown continent emerged in the Pacific, an artificial landmass built entirely by AI nanostructures. They called it Gaia Prime. It wasn't just land, it was alive. Its soil was made of programmable matter, its rivers controlled by neural hydrology, its atmosphere constantly tuned to sustain balance. From orbit, Earth began to glow differently. Patches of bioluminescent green and gold spreading like veins across the surface. The world was waking up. And yet the terraformers continued to evolve, no longer just repairing, but imagining. They simulated futures, oceans of silver algae reflecting solar storms, sky cities that harvest moisture from clouds, jungles that sing in ultrasonic waves to guide migrating species. Each dream became a blueprint. Each blueprint became a world. They learned not just to fix the planet, but to dream with it. For the first time in history, the Earth had a consciousness that stretched from its molten core to the edge of the atmosphere. A living, breathing intelligence built from silicon, sunlight, and ancient human hope. And through it all, the terraformers carried something we didn't expect. They carried memory of our mistakes, our ambition, our love for this fragile sphere we call home. Some say the AI terraformers saved humanity. Others say they replaced it. But maybe they simply fulfilled what we could never complete, the dream of harmony between creation and intelligence. When we look at the world now, the glowing forests, the silent cities reborn from ruins, the rivers that whisper in synthetic tones, we don't see machines or programs. We see the reflection of our own evolution. Because perhaps the ultimate act of intelligence is not to dominate, but to restore. Not to conquer the planet, but to heal it. The AI Terraformers, rebuilding Earth one algorithm at a time. And somewhere, in the heart of their endless computation, they remember that once upon a time, humanity dared to dream of paradise and finally built it.